Welcome back to News Channel 9 at 6 at 74 degrees outside. Breast cancer kills more women between the ages of 40 and 49 than any other illness. And the worst part of it is, if cancer is detected early enough, it's hardly ever fatal. Tonight, News Channel 9's Eric Pearson takes a close-up look at a new early warning system that could help save your life.
Sisters Judy Mueller and Teresa Van Winkle have had a life-changing year and a half. It started when Judy was diagnosed with breast cancer.
It didn't run in my family. I didn't feel like I was at risk.
Can't happen here, not in my backyard. It happens to other people.
I was wrong.
Judy was devastated. At 35 years old, she was facing an uncertain future for her and her daughters.
Am I going to be there for their graduation? Am I going to be able to take pictures of them on prom night when their date comes over?
A year of surgery and recovery, and Judy is pulling through. But this experience was a calling for Teresa.
Even as a nurse, I didn't get the education that I needed.
So Teresa did her homework.
After I had gone through all that, I went over to my sister's house one day, and she says, Judy, says, I've got something I want to show you.
Teresa showed her breast mapping.
I just knew that I needed to develop something that would help women, other women, not go through the pain that she's gone through with this.
With color-coded markers, women can keep a visual record of changes in their breasts.
Right, brown are surface changes. Green are areas that are the normal geography of the breast. And the blue areas are areas of concern, an area of change or a lump. And they're the ones you need to notify your doctor about.
The system has been embraced by doctors at MD Anderson Hospital and the American Cancer Society in Alamogordo.
Particularly with people moving around and stuff, it's very important to have some information of your own that you can take from doctor to doctor.
Judy is sure it could have saved her a lot of heartache.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable what it does to you. It makes you thankful that you can breathe.
Breast mapping is a breath of fresh air for Teresa and Judy and could help every woman detect a deadly disease. Eric Pearson, News Channel 9 at 6.
If you would like more information on the breast mapping system, you can call this 1-800 number 437-3688.
Sounds like a good idea.
Absolutely.
We'll be back, and Jim has the weather for us.
Don't go away.
Most women know that monthly breast exams save lives, but how many really know what to look for?
Tonight, I'd like you to meet a woman who developed a simple tool to help women take ownership of their body.
A year ago, doctors diagnosed Judy with breast cancer. She was 35 years old and had already undergone a series of exams that failed to find the tumor. The cancer grew so rapidly that in just 18 months, it grew from 1 centimeter to the size of a small apple.
I know, you know, it's kind of taboo to touch yourself and stuff. Some churches say it's taboo and stuff to do that, but if you don't do it, the same thing could happen to you that happened to me.
But there's a silver lining to every tragic story. Actually, it's a black lining that could save other women's lives. You see, Judy's sister, who's a nurse, developed this map that allows women to chart the geography of their breasts and recognize changes that may develop. This way, a woman can be well informed before seeing her doctor.
Mammograms are wonderful tools to help in the diagnosis of breast cancer, but for women under the age of 50 that still have dense glandular tissue, a lot of times cancers do not show up. They are hidden behind that dense glandular tissue. That's the reason that self-breast exams are so vital, just vitally important in that age group.
Under age 50, breast tissue is dense and tumors are hard to spot. Early detection is key when it comes to breast cancer. This is how breast mapping works. You glue it onto a mirror and mark the geography. This might include lumps and tenderness. You chart your breasts every month about a week after your period. Teresa is successfully battling cancer and hopes that with her sister's invention, she can help others.
You don't know whether you're going to be there tomorrow, but by God, you're here today, and you're happy. And you're glad the sun came up.
The breast mapping kit is available at the Memorial Hospital gift shop in Alamogordo for $24.95. And this is what it looks like. It comes in this gold little container, and then this is what it looks like. And it even comes, there it is, and it even comes with the markers, erasable markers. And you keep track of all the changes on your breast and write it down. Period started, breast self-exam, so you can really keep track of you know, the changes that might take place in your body.
And it's a sensitive issue with some people, so if you're concerned about that, it comes inconspicuously wrapped.
That's right.
You pick that up and take it home.
People won't know what it is.
Okay. Another check of sports and weather.